We recording? We're gonna blow some shit up now. We're gonna take a monitor and send it over the top of them trees, baby. Gotta mix some shit up.
What are you gonna blow up?
A 22-inch computer monitor with 4 of these. These are half-pounders.
How high is it gonna go?
Top of the trees. Well, that's what we're aiming for. We're about 120 yards away. So 4 of these, that's 2 pounds of tannerite. And you got 1 teaspoon of the zinc oxide or whatever it is in each little jar. So if you guys don't know, then it's 5 cc's per one, which is a teaspoon. All right. All right. Are you ready for this? Huh? Are you ready for the big bang?
Let's do it.
Local 29.
Eric's ready. He's got the big bang in his pants. He wants to get laid tonight.
Yeah.
All right. What we got going?
Hey,
Got a shooting bench.
over here.
We got a 308 police tactical right there. I'll show you a little bit about the gun as soon as we get the chance. Oh yeah, wait, can't. You know, it ain't like shooting without having some cervezas. Blowing shit up, that's the best kind. That's the only way to go. Haha. Hopefully we won't hit our trucks.
This baby is gonna blow big.
Why so serious? All right. All right, here's what we got. We got 2 pounds of tannerite, 100+ yards, and about a 75-pound, 22-inch monitor. Say hello to my little monitor friend, all right? We got a test shot right there, can of Copenhagen, center picture. Not very big bang, but you'll see it. Anyways, this is what we got going on. All right.
It's going.
All right, here's what we got. Just zoom out. Got a 308 police tactical sniper rifle right here. Hand loads, I loaded them myself. Anyways, we're gonna go. Copenhagen camp first.
Stand by. Clear.
One shot. That's only like a 1/4 pound. We're gonna do 2 pounds here right now. All right, fire. Ready? Got a good zoom. All right.
Which
Live
one are you
fire.
going for?
Target.
Ready?
Monitor?
Monitor. Fire in the hole.
Woo! Shit!
Look at it, it flew clear
Yeah,
over there.
baby!
Yeah!
And the Joker said, it's gone!
Jogging in the woods. He's running for a marathon.
Yeah, this is only like a 60% incline.
It's Iron Brian. Marathon runner.
All right, let's see. We shot the target from there, right there, I think. There ain't much left of it. But we got a chunk of it right there. I mean, that's just the aluminum casing. And then
There's the casing.
Yeah, look at that part too.
and we've got another chunk of it clear over there. All right. Let's see what we got. Okay. Holy shit.
Holy shit, it's a
The
fucking
metal
crater.
frame's gone.
We had like a 50-pound metal stand that it was sitting on,
Where is it? Look at the hole. Holy
and it's completely just disintegrated.
Where's the stand?
I don't know.
Hey, here's some of it over here.